Hey guys, Michael Gerard over at Wildwood. Hey, just going to give you a little quick tour on kind of a different project than we normally do. So this is our frame and upper enclosure for our pizza oven, and it's a little different than we normally make our corner stands. This project's going to ship to Maine, and it's going into a custom home that's currently under construction. And the reason they went with this size frame and this angle is because they want to have artwork in the front of the pizza oven over the oven. That makes sense. Normally when we do our corner ovens, the dimensions are quite different. We usually pull out 48 to 51 inches. This one we're pulling out quite a bit further. And they're going to carry this framing for the upper enclosure all the way up to the ceiling with metal studs or something of that nature. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow them to, on this whole larger plane, they're going to have artwork maybe at about 6 feet, 7 feet over the oven door. Possibly, I think I saw in the architectural plans some pizza peels, etc. But this makes the project quite easy for them. They'll just bring it into the house. We include bolts to through bolt and fasten. And then all they're going to do once they have it on the job site is assemble the oven, skin the exterior with some kind of backer board so that they can thin set stone onto it. One thing to note, we always frame out a tool drawer opening here, and so when you buy the complete solution from us, you do have the option of a stainless steel tool drawer with a pretty nice frame around it, so it should blend into any decor. Bottom area, usually they're going to load that up with wood, and as you can see, this is a pretty cavernous area underneath, and that's can hold a good amount of wood. So that's it. That's our custom oven stand and enclosure, the complete solution. Talk to you guys later.